We'll shortly be going up to the wall, so I reckon it's safe. If you happen to have a 30-foot tall wall at home, please do not try this at home. Yeah.
Yeah, same as Ada, still got it there.
That's so odd.
Behind Girona University, which you see to your left. It's quite interesting because the sort of style you see here is, Jesus Christ. Just dropped my phone.
You just dropped your phone. How far would you estimate it fell?
About 50 feet from this height.
About 50 feet, alright.
Loses its awe when you're at the same, no it doesn't. But when you're at the same level as the cathedral.
The whole reason that you have those weird ties. Fingers? You can leave fingers without paying?
I can, yeah.
They didn't finish. 1,000 years ago, they ran out of money.
You can't tell on this video, but it stinks of piss right now. Doesn't it?
I like it. Doesn't it just? I like the contrast there between like old stone and modern graffiti.
And how they've all very courteously chosen only to graffiti shutters that like disappear. Nice, isn't it? Alright. So we've got a cast.
Probably broken a bone in my hand. Got a little temporary cast on right now, and then when I get back to Amsterdam, we're going to have it rechecked and see if I need a better cast or if I can just sort of let it heal and just splint or something. It's a little bit annoying.
Yeah.
No pool for Tom. But
no pool, unfortunately.
We move on, it's fine.
Yeah, we should move pretty quick. We're keen to get the wall as well.
Yeah. Fucking love this place, man.
You're missing the culture. That way, but let's walk this way because this is the uni, so it's quite interesting. The uni. Yeah.
Really? This is a university?
Yeah, man.
What a place to have a university.
Out town, which I think is actually really weird. But
I do as well. This is the Girona wall right here. We're about to mount it.
I don't even know.
We'll shortly be going up to the wall, so I reckon it's safe. If you happen to have a 30-foot tall wall at home, please do not try this at home. Yeah.
Yeah, same as Ada, still got it there.
That's so odd.
This is quite a sight.
This is quite a sight.
So, to get here, we've sort of snuck up behind. Ooh, pigeons, bro, pigeons. which sort of snuck up behind Girona University, which you see to your left, which is quite interesting because the sort of style you see here is, Jesus Christ, boys. Jesus. Fucking fuck. Oh.
Take the really? No. Tom, what have you just done, bro?
Just dropped my phone.
You just dropped your phone. How far would you estimate it fell?
About 50 feet from this height.
About 50 feet. All right. We'll be with you in a minute. We're just going to retrieve Tom's phone because he's a useless tool.
I wouldn't say it's broken. I'm going to predict it's going to have one small scratch and it'll be good.
I think it'd be quite funny if it was broken personally, but for group morale, hopefully it's all right. How do you stop it filming again? Roof mate, do you want to take over filming Tom?
So you just dropped this phone about 40...
No, I mean, put the camera over the top. I've just dropped my phone onto this. Onto this rock. And this fucking... I don't know, case or the screen protector.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's a little bit fucked, but it's still perfectly usable.
It loses its awe when you're at the same... No, it doesn't. But when you're at the same level as the cathedral, it's a very different vibe to when you're stood like so far beneath it, you know. And also, should we walk the other way?
What do you think? Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I feel like we know what... I feel like we know what's down there, but I don't actually know what's this.
Like a fully fledged garden. Like
Yeah.
It doesn't look like a roof garden until you get past it.
There's a pool over there. You tried hard, you definitely tried. It's scary. If you were, yeah, no, if you were more talented, it could be good. Like jumped onto the top of the building, walked all the way across the roof, and then took like a staircase down the side of it to get off it again. I ended up quite close where we meant to be. One of those lucky moments which doesn't happen when you plan. Closed behind us. Popped on the roof. We crawled onto this bit of glass and looked down on the main dance floor of the club. And we were like looking down on the bar, like through this glass ceiling, and like looking down at everyone dancing. And then just kind of like ran along the roofs of London and then got back. Nice little casual. Yeah. Great. I went down, spent the next hour going, oh yeah, I'm having a lovely evening.
So she just popped upstairs?
With no indication of what we just done.
Thank you for watching this video here on Onwards and Upwards. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. If you like hiking, nature, and traveling videos, then you're in the right place. Have a nice day, and good luck on your adventures.